Hello! Coach Erin with Improve You Nutrition Coaching, and today we're gonna make some delicious barbecued chicken. So first, what we got is chicken tenderloins. We bought from the store, organic is preferred. What we did is just transferred it to this bag. Basically, chicken tenderloins are amazing because they cook pretty simple on the grill and they're fast. Then put a marinade in, which is this island soyaki that we got from Trader Joe's. This is a really cool sauce because it's pretty decent in its macronutrients, but also keeps the chicken pretty moist, so when you grill it, it doesn't dry out too bad. What you're gonna need is a plate, tongs, and a steak knife, but today it's gonna be a chicken knife. You're also gonna need a spray and an assistant chef. For you experts, you already know what needs to be done to turn a grill on. For the beginners, you're going to want to make sure that you have propane, that you turn the propane tank on, and then we're going to turn each of these knobs to that little electric lightning bolt so that we can start it, and boom, if you have a nice grill, then you can just press that starter button and it all goes. You can also use a lighter if that button doesn't work. We're gonna let it get to about 400 degrees. If you don't have a temperature gauge on your grill, it's really only gonna take 2 minutes, maybe not even. All right, the grill is hot. We're gonna make sure we've scraped off any extra residue from the prior grill festivities. We're gonna spray down. Make sure you spray relatively far away, not so far that the wind catches it and no spray goes, but you don't want to be right in their face or you're gonna lose a hand. Nice light coat, just so that the chicken doesn't stay. Now we have our tongs and our little chicken tenderloins, and they're gonna go on the grill and they're gonna get really fired up. I'm actually gonna turn this down a smidge because it will stay hot. But by the time I get all of this chicken on here, I don't want the first pieces to be burnt. We're just gonna load this up. All done. We're gonna close the lid and really only let it sit for 30 to 60 seconds. Because we want to get those first pieces that we put on flipped back over. Gotta be patient. Time's up. All right, so this lighter colored coat on the top looks like the chicken is cooking pretty well. So what we're gonna do is flip them all over real quick. And you can see that there's a little nice golden brown on that side. The chicken hasn't cooked all the way through yet. So we're gonna get the other side golden brown. And by the time that happens, the chicken will be cooked all the way through. So we're doing good here. I always start with the pieces that I put on first. I flip first. All right. We're gonna close the lid and we're gonna leave it for about another 2 minutes. How do we look? It's looking good. Let's check these pieces that are a little bit lighter. We can even move them around to the spots where this is probably done here. Or we can take these pieces out. We're gonna check these, make sure they're solid. You know that they're done. When you cut into the chicken, it's still gonna look a little bit gelatinous rather than solid all the way through. That looks really good. Eating chicken that's raw can make you really sick, so you really want to avoid that. Make sure it's cooked all the way through. Excellent. We're gonna get these all on the plate. That's quite a bit of chicken. There we go. That's really good. Oh, she's greedy. She took the whole piece.
Oh wow.
It's good, huh? And then?
So good.
This guy gets the rest. Okay. You sit. Easy. Good boy. Wow. That's yummy. That's what the helper gets.